JD's gonna do his touch and goes. I'm gonna go do my warm up. You're gonna do your warm up. There's 5 people here already. Hell yeah. Yeah, doesn't look like too much turbulence today. Yeah, it does. Yesterday, we're bucking like Broncos. I thought I had the AS3X on way high.
Yeah, I wish I would have picked up on that and not tried that yesterday.
Oh, we got a problem.
What's that?
It's... No! No!
25%, 50%. 50%. G limit disengaged.
Is that bird mad at me or something?
Yeah. Encroaching on his territory and he can't catch you.
Land 25, 50%. 50%. 20 seconds, 50%.
Whoa.
0 throttle. 50%. Gear up. G limit disengage. Time remaining 2 minutes.
You gotta do a little shake.
50%.
Or
50%.
I saw a YouTube video of C-17 that caused very bad. I think those are turbines are real. They're electric.
Troy, one thing to remember.
30
Have fun.
Landing flaps. 25%. 0 throttle.
So you said this is going to be a maiden on this one?
for me it is.
25 for 50%.
Yeah, for you.
50%.
Nice one.
Zero
It's my
throttle.
first one.
Reverse full.
Feels very, very nose heavy. Pretty green.
That's a serious drop, dude. Ooh, okay. Little floaty. Whoa! Oh! Okay.
Gear up.
This level is still had that little bit of nose up attitude.
It's a
G limit disengaged. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. .30 seconds.
and it's arguable if I'm away from the trees or not. So
Zero
Yeah,
throttle.
the reason I was able to dive is because I had so much flap in. Alright, ready? Yes, sir.
Ooh, okay.
It is. I'm pulling back pretty hard.
Okay, that's what it looked like when you took off. Keep that in mind when you land.
It's really stable.
It is.
Really?
It's an awesome plane.
Start landing on the next one. See how that goes.
50%. Gear up. 50%. G-limit disengaged. Time 50%. 50%. Zero throttle. 25%. 50%. 50%. Landing flat. Zero throttle. 25%. 10. Zero throttle. 20.
How's the rate gear up? Yeah, she feels good.
That's it. Okay. What are you getting? That's fast. There you go.